Adding a custom domain to your Vercel project is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Log into Vercel. Visit Vercel and log into your account. Select your project. Navigate to your Vercel dashboard and select the project you want to add the custom domain to. Access Domain Settings. Click on the project, then navigate to Settings, Domain Management. Add Custom Domain. In the Domain Management section, click the Add Domain button. Enter your domain name. Enter your desired custom domain and click Continue. Update DNS records. Vercel will provide DNS configuration details. You will need to update your domain's DNS settings to point to Vercel servers. Update the necessary DNS records on your domain registrar, such as the following. Verify DNS records. Vercel will automatically verify the DNS records after a short period. You can track the verification status within the domain management settings. Deploy and test. Once DNS records are verified, your custom domain will be linked to your Vercel project. Test your custom domain to ensure everything is working smoothly. Secure your domain. If needed, you can configure SSL and custom redirects from the same domain management section.